The wood magnet slides onto and firmly grips any 2x-dimensional material, whether it be 2x4, 2x6, 2x8, or more. Use the wood magnet to set up and level joists and beams. Accurately level grades and screeds for walkways and gardens. As an instant long level. Make that mailbox stand proud. Rigging a long level used to be a time-consuming pain. With the wood magnet, creating a custom long level is easier than ever. Simply slide the wood magnet onto your stud and get to work. The wood magnet is a new cutting-edge tool developed for professional framing carpenters and skilled craftsmen. A blend of both form and function that makes sense and saves money. The wood magnet provides all the functions of countless other levels. Why spend hundreds of dollars on multiple leveling tools when you could buy just one wood magnet for a fraction of the cost?
This makes it the perfect tool for both mortise and tenon layout and drilling dead-on aligned dowel joint holes. Always find the dead center of your stock with the MT center gauge. Based on the never-fail reliability of a parallelogram, the MT center gauge features two precision-machined parallel arms that quickly adjust to the stock thickness, placing the center bar dead center on the material. This layout tool takes all the guesswork out of precisely marking out mortise and tenon joints that are centered exactly on your stock. Just use a marking knife, scribe tool, or a pencil to mark out the center bar location on your stock, and you're done. Changing the thickness of your mortise and tenon marking bars is fast and easy. Simply remove the two thumb screws that hold it in place and switch to the marking bar width you want. Marking bars are machined from stainless steel and come in 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch, 7/16 of an inch, and 1/2 inch widths in the inch version, and 4 millimeters, 5 millimeters, 6 millimeters, 8 millimeters, and 10 millimeters in the metric version. These are all the sizes you need for stock from 1/2 inch to a full 1 inch thick and more. The parallel arms open to accommodate stock up to 2 inches thick. Each marking bar has a precision machine 1mm tapered hole centered on the bar's width. Use this feature to mark the exact center of your stock with either a scribe tool or mechanical pencil. Reliably finding the center of stock is essential in a variety of layout work. To switch to the doweling mode, remove the marking bar and attach the doweling jig bar. To use, simply align the precision machine notches on the jig's doweling bar with the dowel location mark on your board, hold the jig, and drill. Slide the jig to the next location, align, and drill. No need to clamp the jig or tighten knobs as many doweling jigs require. For end grain holes, attach the doweling jig's adjustable end stop to drill 2 or 3 precisely spaced holes in order to align face frame stiles and rails. The handy inch-millimeter scale lets you accurately set the stop. What could be easier? The dowel pin, the second alignment feature, lets you drill a series of equally spaced holes along the edge of the board. Just drop the supplied pin through the dowel bar and insert the pin into the last hole drilled to align the jig and continue drilling. The MT doweling jig comes with 6 stainless steel drill guide bushings, 3 sized for 1/4 inch and 3 for 3/8 of an inch drill bits. Our MT center gauge and doweling jig can be ordered separately, or you can get complete kits in inch or metric that include the marking bars and doweling jig bar, or a deluxe kit that includes both the inch and metric marking bars and the doweling jig bar. All offerings come in a custom molded foam-lined case. The deluxe kit is also available in a sustainer case. So, consider Woodpecker's latest one-time tool, the MT Center Gauge and Doweling Jig, if you want to easily and accurately find the center of a board's edge every time. And have the perfect tool for both mortise and tenon layout and drilling dead-on aligned dowel joint holes. Like all Woodpecker's one-time tools.
Hey guys, Patrick here with Armor Tools, and I have something awesome to show you guys. Armor has just released their new Auto-Jig, and this thing is sweet. It's a fully automated jig system that self-adjusts to ensure the correct angles and depths are drilled. I'm going to show you how it works and walk you through. Just take a piece of material and clamp it into the jig. Of course, this jig features Armor's patented auto-adjusting clamp, so you can clamp varying thicknesses without having to readjust. And there you go, step 1 and everything is done. Once you've clamped your material securely in the jig, your drill guide block is automatically set to reflect the appropriate height, and your drill bit collar is automatically set to the correct depth. Just tighten your collar with this little wrench, and you're good to go. It's that quick and that easy. With other jig systems, you'd still be setting your guide block. By adding this tool into your shop, it's guaranteed to increase your workflow. Now before we drill, I wanted to mention that the jig platform is set to the height of your standard 2x4, so there's no need to buy any additional wings or extensions. Now let's go ahead and drill this demonstration piece. There you go, perfect pocket holes. This jig gives you the optimal screw length to use and even differentiates screws by color. So you have this demo piece that's 3/4 inch thick, and it corresponds to the yellow screw. So you just pick up the yellow screw and you're good to go.